So we've just arrived in Blackheath and Surrey. We're going to be doing some drone flying with the Phantom 4. Let's just fly for once, when we're actually just doing it for fun, not for a job. Let's go fly. Okay, so we're now going to be setting up the Phantom 4 to fly with this amazing scenery. It actually looks really good because it's been raining lately. There's like a mist in the atmosphere and it actually looks really good. So let's set the drone up. This is one of the best things about the Phantom is because it's such a compact drone, you can basically set it up in a crazy amount of time. And when you just want to fly somewhere for fun for just like half an hour, just go fly somewhere where you want to fly, not because you need to fly there. This is a perfect drone for this. And as you can see, we're already ready to fly. So let's start filming. And we've now finished our flight. Let's go back to the studio and edit this footage. We've just got for fun, but it looked really good. Let's go back to the studio.